Wait. How does it work? Oh.
Give me my cat back.
Aisle. Ooh, mittens. Mittens.
This is how we shop. Grab some.
How's the cash, please?
Grab a bib for Maya.
Hold on. Wait, no, wait. Here's the best part. Watch. No, wait, I love my mommy.
We need to get that for
That would be a
Allison.
lie.
Can we buy that for Allison? Oh, my grandma. Do you see
I'll
it?
find something.
Do you see it? I love
It's
my
down here too. Here, oh, whoops. Oh, jeez. Are you kidding me? What were we talking about?
The lady rammed my legs with a shopping cart. This is like the longest.
Doing that?
Yeah, she was like not letting me in to get my asparagus. It was ridiculous.
Oh my god. Why were you getting asparagus?
Because I like it.
I love this. Can you please buy this?
Yeah, I'm going to. We've had way too much
Jesus.
fun with it.
You know what we need?
Kim, stop me this for a sec.
You know what we need?